Welcome. In this video, I will quickly check if the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G from the European distribution has an original protective case in the box. So let me quickly open the box. It's not here for sure, but let me quickly check this little tiny box. Okay, it's not that easy to remove it. Let me just... maybe I'm going to remove it with something like that. There it is. So let's open it here. Oh, maybe here from the bottom, but unfortunately not. There's only some kind of the paperwork here, as you can see. There's no protection case inside. So no, it doesn't. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.